Freddie G, nigga. Soldier out the army. All white, red stripes, and I'm thuggin', nigga. I got a pound of dope, finna serve this junkie, nigga. I'm from the hood, he ain't, so he tried to rob me, nigga. But I ain't trippin', I got 2 Glocks and revolvers, nigga. Better ask the last dude that tried to rob me, nigga. I up that fire and got the dumpin' at that pussy, nigga. And he ain't try me no more, I saw him the other day. He looked at me and spoke, I should've shot him in his face. He say I shot his leg, so what, nigga? I should've shot him in the head, I'm done playing with you. You tryna jack who? Jack me? Bow, nigga. And that's just what you get for fucking with a real nigga.
Light goes on, light goes on, light goes on, light goes on.
Freddie G, fuck nigga.
Light goes on,
My life gon' keep rolling.
light goes
Fuck nigga
on,
wanna see me in the dirt.
light goes on, light goes on, light goes on.
Black, I see you, my nigga. Juve. Now this next nigga, he thought he was slick. I hear the lick and then that nigga hit me for my shit. But I ain't trippin' cause sometimes you take a loss, nigga. But I ain't gon' lie, if I see him right now, I'ma blues the nigga. Just being 100 with him, he played me like a hoe. So I'ma take it as a joke, cause he knowin' what I'm by. He know I'm cutthroat. When it come down to the come down, get an all black with that pistol hoe. And then he got a nerve to call my phone, talking about I'm sorry, nigga. Looked at the phone like what the fuck, just bring my shit with you. And I ain't playing, nigga, cause we can fight it out, slice it out, shoot it out, whatever, nigga. You can bring your clique with you.
Light goes on,
My life gon' go on,
light
you
goes
know, my
on,
nigga.
light goes on,
Still living.
light goes
Still
on,
living to get this pussy
light
back.
goes on, light goes on,
Yeah. And I'm
light
rockin' like
goes
a cut off
on,
stocking, my nigga.
light goes on,
Freddie G.
light goes on, light goes on,
And light goes on. Yeah. Okay, this third nigga, but it's a whole clique. But the whole clique look up to this one bitch, and he a fuck nigga. Hey, how I know? Because I used to fuck with him. Same school, used to smoke in the cut with him. And light goes on.